Hey everybody, Alex Silent Thunder here, now today I'm going to do a mini game. I'm here right now on the Hypixel Alpha server, and it seems pretty awesome. I've been on here for a little bit, and I wanted to do some videos on mini games I'm going to play here. Okay, so let's start off right now with build battle. See. Now, what's this about? Okay, I'm a little, what's going on? Whew. Okay, got a little glitchy there. I don't think what's happening. Okay, let's take a look. How do you play this? Okay, build on a theme in 5 minutes. Everyone then votes on the builds. Get the most votes to win. Okay, hi, that sounds good to me. Why is he floating? Why is he floating? What the? Okay, that was weird for a second. Ooh, it looks like someone's gonna get hit. Looks like someone's trying to hit on there. Ooh, someone named Dante, and whoa, skin's black. It's weird. Gabriel Craft Edoni. Huh. There's a lot of people here. I don't know how much longer until it has to start. It should start soon. It doesn't take a 15 seconds. Haha. Okay, let's see. What's the themes for today? Okay. I'm really excited about this, guys, okay? I really like playing on this. Oh, it begins when there are 16 players. Oh, okay. A droid. Huh. Oh, a perfect one. I know. R2-D2. I'll do an R2-D2. Everyone knows R2. Let's see. Now we need some lapis lazuli block. Let's see. Probably a red one for that little eye thing, and probably some smooth stone for 2. Okay, and there. Okay, I got all my materials. Hurry. It's time's already ticking. Let's see. What's the first thing? I need to do? I better make the wheels for him. Okay, right there. Let's see. No. There we go. So I can have this. Okay. There we go. And boom. Hit. Yep. Boop. 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 Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be. I think this is gonna be good R2. The team drew. 4 minutes in. 4 minutes in. We're 4 minutes in. Okay, let's see. I can't remember every part of R2, so I'll make it up as I go. Put some blue now. Put some blue down now. Okay. Hello, R2. There we go, and there we go. There we go. It looks like a pretty decent droid, if I do say myself. Okay. Right about there. That's where the droid leg should stop. Right at that. There we go. There we go. Okay, Okay, it should be almost done. Just need to put down some tracks for this little droid. I'm gonna be so awesome. I really, before I kind of saw a lot of people. I kind of saw a lot of people not do pretty great because they didn't get time to finish. See how everyone else is doing. Okay, can't get that far. Well, I like to do some little trolling on those guys. You gotta do that for me sometimes. Ha. Yeah! We better clean up this mess. Better clean up this mess. What we got here? What the? I would just say okay, because I see what they were trying to go for. Okay. Wow. What the? Are you kidding me? This is not even Troy. Whoa. Super Pope. It said droid, not a person. Super Pope. What is this? A super poop. Yeesh. What the? Oh. Ugh. Really? Poop. What in the world? Oh, that looks awesome. I would just say good. Good. So, ooh, I like. Ooh, this is mine. I can't vote for mine. That's. Come on. Pretty good. What? This thing won? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ah, man. Ugh. Let me try that again. Okay. Play again. Come on. Play again. Play again. Come on. Let me in. I guess the game starts now. So. Can you go in? Let me in. Oh, man. What's wrong with this thing? Well, let me out. What the? Was that? What the? Is that Basher? Let me down. Sure. Let me go with me. Help. Suck. Going off. Oh, man. Oh, sorry, guys. Well, I guess we just end the video right... Oh, never mind. Okay, it should be starting right now. Okay, sorry for the wait. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the theme? Hype? What's a hype train? I'll just try to build a train. Let's try to build a train. Yeah, because I have no idea what a hype train is. Okay, I have no idea what a hype train is. So I'll just try to do the best I can and try to make a guess of what it is. Okay. Okay, a train. Here we go. Okay, put some cobwebs. Okay, I think that's good. Put the coal cart here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Looking good. This looking good. Oh, I better add the wheels here. Let's see the black wheels. I'll just use the wool. Okay. There we go. What? No iron? Really? Just have to use some gray here. There we go. There we go. And to connect them. There. And let's see, what else should I put there? Let's do this black cart like a regular cart. Okay, almost done. Okay. Black wool there. Black wool there, and black wool there. There we go. I think that will be good. I can I can lay down some tracks. How do I lay down tracks? Ugh, forget it. I don't know what a hype train is. What the hell? What is this? A little bit just a poop or something like that. Ooh, this does look like a train. I don't know what type of train is, but I'll say okay. We're good, good. How about that? Whoa, cool. What the? Okay, I'll just say good. Good. Nice. I think, where's the windows on this thing? Say okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Really? What is this? Oh, okay. What the? Super. Where is it? Oh, come on. I hate when people do this. Whoa, okay. Let's just say, okay. It does look a little small, but. Oh, come on. I hate when this happens. Sheesh. Man, people, come on. What's this? Oh, that's cool. That's good. Ah, super poop. Hate when this. Ugh. People, come on. Oh, here's mine. Well, someone named it Legendary on here. Aw, man, come on. I didn't win. Dang it. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, let me turn the HUD so I can... There we go. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here, okay, guys? Okay, and if you like this commentary, slap that like button and comment down below. Hey, we want more of this minigame series, okay? So let me know that, because that will be really supportive. And okay, and see you next time, guys. Bye.